Hey, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you're a subscriber. As promised, I keep trying to share quick tips on saving money, growing a great organic garden as cheaply as possible, and other interesting things. And our topic today are bee bars. That's what I've named it, a bee bar. I saw this article on Facebook the other day that basically the bees are having to go so far to get pollen and what have you that they get exhausted and then they get disoriented and then they drop dead before they can make it back to the hive. So what the bee people are suggesting now is that you put out dishes of sugar water. I mix my sugar water like hummingbird food, so not overly sweet, but sweet enough with just regular sugar. And I guess, you don't want to fill it up too high because you don't want the bees to drown in it. This is at an angle, so they've got a little drier space here that they can kind of move in and drink the sugar water. And I'm just going to do these here and there and everywhere and see what happens. And hopefully it will help them out because bees are at a premium. And I need more bees in my garden, and they're really expensive and difficult to keep, so I just don't have enough time to add that project onto my table and the expense of it. So if you want to help the bees out, do your research about putting little bowls or saucers of sugar water out, and it's a good thing to do for the bees, good thing to do for the planet, and good thing to do for us. That's it. Make a bee bar. Sugar water in a little saucer. I have a feeling this colorful one is going to draw most of them. Okay, if you like my quick, interesting, money-saving, garden wisdom videos, please subscribe. It helps. Take care of yourselves, but most importantly, take care of each other, because how we treat each other on the street is what our true reality is. Bye for now.